Hi, meet Bob. Bob is smart. Bob just finished a degree. Bob has resisted choosing a graduate job because Bob has an idea. To make this idea real, he's going to need some money. Not a lot, maybe only $50,000. But Bob doesn't have any money, and Bob's parents don't have much money. Bob goes online to research raising funds for his idea. He quickly finds out more worrying stuff, like how cautious investors are because so few ideas become real businesses. Bob starts networking, but Bob only meets other Bobs. Bob is sad and starts to look at jobs instead. Just as he's doing this, Bob comes across Reconomy.com.au. Reconomy enabled Bob's idea to come to life. Reconomy enabled Bob to estimate his next 5 years of income. Reconomy has already ensured Bob is no fraud. Then Bob can sell up to 20% of his 5-year projected revenues to sponsors, and they will give him money today. Bob is happy. Reconomy gave Bob the startup capital for his idea. His sponsors were happy too. When you back a single venture like investors do, then you have only one shot. When you back a single person like sponsors do, then you have every shot that they have at making it. Reconomy, backing ambition.